Hello. Today I will be teaching or reminding you how to create an event in Connect and how to use the QR code to check people into the event. So to start, obviously you're going to want to go to the Connect website, connect.uwstout.edu, and log in with your Stout credentials. Once you've done that, it should take you to your homepage, and from there you can go to the group that you want to create the event for. So I will create it for South Hall. It might bring you to this screen, in which case you can go to events, or it might take you to this page, in which case you can go to events over on the right hand side. Either way will get you to something that looks like this, where you can manage events, and then here there's an option to create an event. Once you click on the create event, you will have to enter in the information. So you'll need a title for your event. You can do a description if you'd like. You can select the event type so people know what they're coming for. Enter in the start and end date and time. And then whether it's on campus or off campus and where it will be held. You can add a photo from your files, or you can add a photo from the photo gallery of things that are already uploaded. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Save. That will pop the event up on the upcoming events. There's still some things you'll need to do though. So on the event, if you go over to the Settings button, here you can select that you'd like to track attendance, and you'll want to do it with a QR code. So you click on that, and then this page will load. So once it finishes loading, you can print it out so you have the QR code. Otherwise, it should also show up on your app so people can scan that, or they should be able to check in using the Connect app as well. So if you want to print it, go ahead. Otherwise, when you're finished with this page, you can go back to event. I recommend turning the RSVP off personally. That way anybody can check in when they get there. They don't have to be registered to go. If you need RSVPs for some reason, that's totally fine though. You can also see who has said they're coming down here. And then up at the top, it gives you some links as to how to track attendance with a laptop, with a mobile device, and then activating that self-check-in. So once you're done there, you don't need to click Save. It automatically saves for you. You can go back to the events, and if you need to edit your event, you can do that as well. So there's a few things in here that weren't in the initial setup. As you can tell, it's a lot more extensive. So you can rename it or add more to the description if you need to. You can add an event tag if you want to do that. If it's free, if it's a cultural event, all those tags are there for you. You can change who the event coordinator is, or you can add a custom host. You can add some team members if you're working with some other people on it. And you can also select how you want attendees to contact you. If you need to change the date or time, you can do that here. The location can be changed here. You can select to only display the location to logged on users if you want. You can add photos and flyers, add more details, and then you can select who is allowed to register if you're doing registration, and who can see the event. So I'm going to select that only logged on users can see this event. And I don't need to let people register because I just want people to show up if they feel like showing up. There's some advanced options here. If you wanted to play around with those, you can. The waiver is important if you're going to be doing any transportation to an event. And then once you're done here, you just go ahead and click Save. So the event still is showing up then in the upcoming events for your group, and people can see it and they can click in and look at it. It'll look different for them because they're not the one hosting it. But then they can just kind of view it and decide if they want to attend or not.
All right, now I'll teach you how to check people into your event using either the QR code that you created when you made the event or scanning in each attendee's QR code. So we'll start with that latter one. So if you want to scan in each individual attendee, what you do is open the Connect app. On the bottom bar, you click on the calendar icon. So bring up all the events, and then you can select the event that you're wanting to check people into. Once here, you'll want to use the 3 dots on the top hand menu and click Check in Attendees. Once here on the top, there's a QR code reader, and you can use that to scan their QR code. Now, to get to their QR code, you'll need to have them open up their Connect app. On the bottom bar, go to the hamburger menu on the right, and then there will be a little QR code on the top. They can tap that, and that will bring up their personal QR code, which you can scan with your phone open to the app in the event to check them in. Otherwise, when they're here, they can click on Scan QR Code and scan the QR code that you printed and hung either at the door or put at a front table.